wait for market to open. Still got 20 fucking minutes. Are you gonna be here in 20 minutes? Or are you gonna get bored and you're gonna fly away? Hmm? Yeah, I think we're definitely going down today. We got this massive divergence on SPY and Nasdaq. This is all-time highs. Got swept over last night, and then MNQ just hasn't really made that same move. We got downwards motion, plus pretty clear break of structure on everything. 1 hour is completely sinking. Honestly, it wouldn't be a bad time to enter, but it's still like 9:12 a.m. and I'm not trading pre-market. It's a pretty good amount of time. It's still 15 minutes till fucking market open, so hopefully this move doesn't go down all the way without me. But I don't even think I would enter off of anything yet. We got this gap. I guess I got tapped into. Yeah, that could have been an entry. Tapped into the gap, and now it's starting to kind of work down. MNQ led this move down originally, so I'm going to go ahead and stay with that as my bias. Even though SPY seems to be ripping up. Hopefully we don't get inverse here and then start going for longs. I really want to go shorts today. Bias is definitely telling me shorts. Hoping we can just tap into this and then fuck right off. Nasdaq kind of swept this out here, but SPY has yet to do so. So I don't know if this is a real move or not. But even now, it looks like we swept this out and we're going to start making our way down. Only concern being that SPY hasn't really done so. Aside from respecting this gap, tapped into it. Nothing happened since then. So yeah, we break structure. This could be a long or a short. That way I got bullish bias. We got bearish bias, SMT divergence, tap into a gap, break a structure, enter. Yeah, Nasdaq is sinking. SPY closes below here, then I could have a stop loss above this point, targeting honestly any one of these. It don't really matter. Yeah, this would make sense. That's the bottom of it. I'm not gonna trust SPY's move up only because we never swept this. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know why this is still here. This is not real. Is anything here inverse? Maybe 1 minute? No, not really. We just gotta close below this and then I can go for a long. Oh my god, I keep saying long and short. Did Nasdaq sweep something? I hope to god it did. No, not really. It's just kind of floating around here. This could be a gap though. I don't know if I'm too concerned about that. Yesterday I got way too hesitant and complacent and I ended up missing like 2 really good setups with, honestly, it was pretty similar to what we got going on here. So today, if this breaks below, I'll take a shot right away because I'm tired of missing trades that I knew were going to work out. I wouldn't mind having this candle rip and then we inverse it eventually. So I'm not going based off of just a fair value gap and a break of structure with a bias. If I can take one more thing, I would. Nasdaq is fucking ripping right now. Doesn't seem like a real move though because SPY hasn't moved. Yeah, Nasdaq is kind of breaking up now. You got 3 minutes. If this breaks up, that's bad. But what the fuck did it sweep? It didn't sweep anything. I swept it. Is that relative equal? Is that why? No, I didn't even touch it. So yeah, I don't know where the fuck this move is coming from. I just hope this does not get inversed because we already have a break of structure and an inverse gap in the up direction. So at that point, it would be a fucking reversal. But I don't want to look for longs today. I also wouldn't mind it if we tap back into this gap. If we tap into this again in a 5 minute and it closes below, that's even more confidence that this is a strong barrier. We tap back into here. It looks like we're not going to close above it, which is beautiful because as soon as we come back out, we break structure. Stop loss will be right above this point, targeting the beginning of this SMT, so the low of this, which would be right here. I don't want to go for longs. I really don't want to go for longs. So if this gets inversed, I'm going to be fucking tight. Nasdaq completely inversed that fucking move that they just had. Is that an inverse though? Yeah, it kind of is. 22 seconds is going to get inversed right here. That could be a sign for Nasdaq to go short. Now we got SPY doing whatever the fuck SPY wants to do. A minute and a half, this closes out, then I'll enter for a short. Oh, this is perfect actually. This is inversed here. If this respects it, we can start breaking structure down. Only thing is that's not here on SPY. Nasdaq do it? No, Nasdaq disrespected this gap completely. But now it's inverse 3 times. Just scan this barcode and you're going to become profitable. On the bright side, this thing has been touched 5 times on 5 minutes and never broken above. So this is a pretty clear sign of resistance up here. I'm not going to enter unless there's a clear break of structure. Are we fucking serious? Tradovate maintenance, bro? What the fuck does that even mean, dude? Is it working now? That's some bullshit. I got a fucking Tradovate maintenance error. Like, look at this shit. I literally said as soon as this break structure, we enter for a short. I tried it, and it fucking says maintenance error. Like, I had a short ready here. Stop loss is gonna be above there. Let's see if this actually fucking plays out. Chasing this like that. Now, if this plays out, I'm gonna be so fucking mad because I had this shit in the bag. That's just gonna keep on sinking. That's some fucking monkey business. That's what that is, bro. Straight monkey business. Even if I get it back now, it's too fucking late. Sorry for any inconvenience. How about you fucking come suck my dick? Beautiful fucking setup. Everything was there, and then Tradovate decides to go down. Yeah, kiss my nuts. Well, that was gonna be probably like $400 or $500. Yeah, bro. Fucking Tradovate sucks, man. I don't get it. Tradovate is fucking ass. Now, do I sit here and watch this go down to see if I was right, which I know I was, and get more fucking mad that I was right, or do I just leave and then see this shit tomorrow? I was just talking about how yesterday I got too hesitant because all my fucking confluences got there, and then I ended up missing the trade. I took a revenge trade that ended up fucking me. And then today, I was like, I'm gonna be a better person. I'm gonna trade right at the fucking breaker structure like I said I would. I tried, and Tradovate told me to go fuck myself. Well, let's look back at it. We had this SMT divergence here. Let me put this on like the 30 minutes so it's easier to see. Yeah, so this pretty clear fucking... It's a move up on SPY, and then NASDAQ had this move down. Boom. So that's the divergence I was looking at. Since we started breaking structure and we swept all-time highs on SPY, I had a pretty strong feeling that we're going to keep going down, which we ended up doing on both indexes. Meaning, I know now that NASDAQ is the leader of this move down. So, I was looking for any confluences, any areas of maybe a reversal or anything. We found this fucking gap right here. Ended up getting tapped on the 15-minute 2 times, on the 5-minute 5 times actually. Never broke above it, just kind of tapped into it, wicked out. And then right at this break of structure, I knew that we are going to continue going down. And we did. Went right through my first take profit. I would have just moved the stop loss down to here, targeting the rest of this. But it never fucking happened. Tradovate decided to fuck me. And I don't know if it's down for maintenance, if it's an error on my end, or it says down for maintenance, so I'm assuming it's actually maintenance. I don't know what the fuck is up with it. But this whole move, I missed it. I got cucked. It's over and done with. That's done. So yeah, my move for today is completely fucking gone. Only because this shit decided to go to maintenance. Like, I don't know why the fuck it's going to maintenance on the 1 hour that I needed to be available out of the 24 hours in a day. But you never know, man. This is me losing by not winning to some dumb shit. I would have made... Let's see how much I would have made, actually. Entry was here, let's say. Boom. Oh, I'm shorting, so that way. And then take profit would be here. Entering with probably 8 to 10 of these bitches. Boom. So that would have been at least 350. Or if I went for a full contract, it would have been 437 for the first one. And then the second one, if this hits, it would have been 850 total. So pretty much it would have completely eradicated the drawdown that I have now and some. It would have put me up, I think, 200 all time on my account. It is what it is. Hopefully by tomorrow this issue gets fixed because I don't want to keep missing out plays. Whether it's my fault, whether it's fucking this bullshit, I don't know. But I don't want to keep missing out plays that I know worked out because yesterday's play was fucking A1. It was beautiful, but I pussied out of that one. Today, I guess, is fucking God's way of giving me revenge. So, yeah, man. It is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow.